Good morning, traders. TG Watkins here. It is September 14th when I'm recording this in the morning. And just want to make sure everybody starts to know that we are doing the Orlando Summit. We're going to do this just before the Orlando Money Show. So this is going to be October 27th and 28th. You guys start talking to our team, getting tickets and VIP stuff, poker night, and cocktail hour, all that kind of stuff. And then I will have, I'll be there, and then I'll also be at the Orlando Money Show just a day or two later. And I got a speaking spot on that Monday, I think the 30th. Just before Halloween, so yeah, go check it out, sign up, and we'll see you guys all there. As far as today goes, what I wanted to show was the IWM. So let me kind of back over here on the daily chart. You know, the IWM, even though it's been kind of sagging, kind of rough, it hasn't really been doing great. The whole market's kind of just been sideways and stuff. I have not been wanting to short any of this, and I've just been saying, look, I think that things have rotated to a point where I think we're more likely to go up eventually than to really implode and drop. And part of it is you look at the past where we were here, and it looked very much like the market wanted to go down, especially right through here. And then the next thing we did was go up. So I think we're kind of in that same situation. It is looking pretty rough. There are still names out there that are not looking great. But I'm looking at this double bottom. I'm also looking at this positive divergence on the hourly chart. And if you look here, yesterday not looking great. Yesterday was kind of down. And what do we have today? Back up. So I'm not so interested on the short side. We'll have to see. There are a few names that are doing well to the upside, but it is not a large participation. So we'll have to kind of be careful about what we pick out there. And as far as today goes, maybe we're just seeing a little bit better as far as our internals. A little bit better. You can see all this, and it's been blah for the last couple of days. And as I said yesterday, was kind of a rough day with the market. All right, we got the CPI out, the PPI out, and the next thing is we have the FOMC next week. So let's see what kind of fireworks that brings. Anyway, hope you guys are all doing well, and we'll see you at the next one.
Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.